On this video is an exercise 14G question 3 part A. So we want to solve this exponential equation, which is e to the power of 2x minus 8e to the x plus 12 is equal to 0. Right, so in this question it might be tempting to use the same technique as the previous equations and just take the length of both sides, because we have obviously e, so maybe taking length of both sides is going to give us something simpler. But that's not going to work here, because first of all, length 0 is undefined, because on the right hand side we just have 0, so that's not going to help. Also, on the left hand side, when we take length, this is going to be length of the entire thing, basically e to the power of 2x minus 8e to the x plus 12 is equal to length 0. So we know that this one is undefined, and even the left hand side, this is very complicated, and we can't really simplify this, so it's not going to work in this question if we just simply take length of both sides. So instead of that, we use change of variable, basically. So we can introduce a new variable, say t is equal to e to the power of 2x, sorry, e to the power of x. That's because if you look at here, you have the term e to the power of 2x, and then here e to the x. So I think this looks like a quadratic equation in a way, because here the power here is a squared, and then here is just 1. So we can use this substitution and just convert this to a simple quadratic, because the first term becomes t squared, and the second term is minus 8t plus 12 is equal to 0, right? Because e to the power of x squared is going to basically be equal to t squared. Now that we have this simple quadratic, then we can just factorize this. So t minus 2 times t minus 6 is equal to 0. That means that one solution is 2, the other solution is 6. And now that we have the two solutions, remember to find the solution basically to the main equation, which is e to the power of x is equal to this. So we can substitute now each of these values into this equation, into the value of t. So the first case is when e to the x is equal to 2. So now we can take length of both sides. So the left hand side is length e to the x is equal to length 2, but length e to the x, just length and e cancel out, so it's going to be x is equal to length 2. And for the second case, again we take length, and similar to the previous case, the left hand side cancels, and then we'll have length 6. So these are the two solutions to this equation.